Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix no sound wrinkles on your Honor Pad V9. So first, during a call, what you guys can check is the side buttons. So when you're, let's say, on a call in WhatsApp, then here you will have the side buttons. For me, this tablet is turned this way, so it's right here. But let's say I'll switch it to this way, and now here we will have it at the top. So here we need to make sure that it's at max volume. Now we can also try and go to settings. Now go to sound, and here in the volume make sure that everything is turned on. And now we can also go and disable the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices, so the audio isn't routed to your headphones or a car, but to the tablet. So let's go to Control Center. Now here we will have Bluetooth, so let's hold it. And now make sure that the Bluetooth is disabled, and if it's enabled, then make sure that no devices are connected. So keep Bluetooth disabled for the time of testing. Now what you guys can also do is try and clean the speakers right here with a soft brush. It's gonna help a lot, because if there's dirt stuck in them, then it might cause an issue. Now what you guys can do is try and call with another app. I'm not talking about WhatsApp, I'm talking about anything else like Instagram, even the Messenger app. So it's all up to you, you just need to test it. Then what you guys can do is restart the tablet. So I'll show you guys how. So let's hold the power button for at least 3 seconds. Don't mind the Gemini popping up right here. And now click restart and touch again to restart the tablet. So I'll see you guys once my tablet is restarted. So after restarting the tablet, what we can do as a last resort is to reset the options. So let's go to settings. Of course, only do that if it's still not fixed. So scroll down until you guys see the system and updates. It's almost at the bottom. Now here click reset, and here click reset all settings. As you guys can see, all settings will be reset, including all network settings, face data, and the lock screen password. So here, after that, if this didn't help, then the rest is basically going to backup and restart in the system and updates. Now to back up your data with either Google or normally on the local device. So now click reset tablet, and here click it once and then click it twice. So that's it for the video. If it was helpful, then leave a like, subscribe, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.